Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
All right,
else
there's 5 eggs. There's some cheese. This is Havarti. Got a little butter. And we've got lots of bacon. Hey, Mike Foster here. You saw it. It's my killer bacon and cheese scramble. It's made with a lot of bacon, which is, I cooked that in the microwave, and I have a video on how to make that microwave bacon. It's just as good as any other bacon. It's so simple to make, and it's clean, and it doesn't mess up the house. Those are 5 cage-free eggs. Well, stop talking about it, Mike. Put this baby together. So first off, we're just gonna give a little beat to these eggs. Make sure you break each yolk. I got 5 in here, so this is a lot of eggs. It's a hearty way to start your day. And you don't have to beat these babies like I did on my omelet recipes, because scrambled eggs just have to have an easy beat. To me. All right, these babies are ready. Now we've put the stove on. You can see that. There's the baby. When that warms up, we'll put this bad boy together. While we're doing that, we're gonna take this bacon and bust it up into nice bits. There's that bacon all busted up. Now we're over at the stove. Put the butter in. Nice sizzle. I got this on a little under medium. Remember, it just depends on how your stove cooks. All right, let's add those eggs. All right. Those will take a couple minutes to cook. Keep stirring them. See right there, it looks like an omelet. Well, not anymore. You just mix it up like this. Mix it. Watching your temperature. I'm gonna put this up a little more so that these babies will cook. Keep mixing them. While that's going on, I'm gonna put some pepper in there. I like pepper. I'm not gonna put salt. That bacon is got some sodium in it. Keep mixing it. See that? Pull it around. Mix it in. All right. Come along. Just come along good. Now's the time to put that bacon in there. We want it integrated. Look at all this bacon. That's a lot of bacon. This is killer. Look how it's coming around. Oh, lower the heat. Get that cheese in. I took that Havarti and I busted it up like that. You could use shredded cheese. You could use anything. I don't care. That's what I have in the house right now. All right, mixy, schmixy. Shut this heat off. Keep mixing it. See how fast and simple and easy that was? When this cheese melts, this baby will be ready for consumption. I'll meet you then. There's the finished product. Look how gorgeous that thing looks. It's perfect. Big bite coming up. There it is. You got the bacon, you got the eggs, you got the cheese. Now all you need is a big Foster bite. Are you ready? Here we go. The eggs are creamy. The bacon is savory. That cheese is creamy too. One more bite. Got a little toast here with butter. Can't wait for another bite. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
So I like them rough. That's what she said. Okay, now keep it running. I may do something stupid, sweet babu. Baba. Thank you, baby.